Why did my car insurance go up again this year, even though nothing in my driving really changed? Hi, I'm Jeff Williams, owner of Armor Insurance Agency in Miles City, Montana. Most people assume their car insurance price is based only on how they drive. But your driving is just one part of a much larger pricing system. Insurance companies calculate rates using many different sources of risk. Nationally, repair costs have increased significantly. Modern vehicles are no longer simple to fix. Even a small accident can involve sensors, cameras, and electronic systems that require expensive calibration and replacement. That increases the cost of claims across the entire system. When the cost of claims rises across the country, insurance companies adjust pricing for everyone in that risk pool. That means even safe drivers can see increases when overall claim costs go up. There are also personal factors that can affect your rate. Things like a ticket, an accident, adding a vehicle or driver, changes in your zip code, or loss of discounts can all impact pricing. The key point is this: your driving record matters, but it is not the only factor in your price. Insurance rates reflect both your personal risk and the overall cost environment around you. If your car insurance went up and you're not sure why, let's take a look together. Call Armor Insurance Agency in Miles City at 406-416-1096.